One of the most beautiful topic in communication skills is called voice modulation. It also known as vocal variety and vocal tonality. Means how to pitch your voice, high pitch, low pitch, and how to drag certain words, stressing words to make it more effective. That one of the greatest art of public speaking is called a voice modulation, which you are going to learn practically in this training. In addition, there are various other essential topics as well, like English speaking skills, how to face group discussions, a brief overview about leadership training. Many situations, especially I've seen working professionals, and whatever the pain points and whatever the obstacles, hardships I had been through that process, how I have overcome all these fears, and I'm going to share with you as part of this training. All these concepts are certainly helpful to you.